Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headline. So, first of all, have issues with only 6 of 10 CCI direction, Google to Supreme Court. Next, India's tech workforce feels the impact of global layoffs by MNCs. Next, Adani Enterprises rupees 20,000 crore FPO opens on Jan 27, floor set at rupees 30112 rupees. Next, in big overhaul, center proposes many changes to IBC framework. Next, Go Mechanic faces forensic audit for reporting error. Next, iron ore export jumped fivefold in December. Next, CBI awaiting NSC board note to prosecute Chitra. Next, India's tech workforce feels the impact of global layoffs by MNCs. Next, Tata Motors cut Nexon EV price on hell of Mahindra and Mahindra electric SUV. Next, banks betting for ECLG extension. On page number 4, in that Go Mechanic admits to errors in financial reporting. Next, in Rajasthan, Assam, Meghalaya, over 70% of rural 8th grader cannot do division. Next, Central Bank of India Q3 net jumps 64% to rupees 458 crore on higher income. Next, Nixon India looks to achieve double-digit growth in by 2024. Next, Reliance Cap proposes to push second auction to pay 2020 pay Jan 2023. Repeating again, Reliance Cap proposes to push second auction to Jan 23. Next, Industrial Bank Q3 PAT up 58% on lower provision. Next, Adani Green Energy picks 50% in ISL Surya Urja. Next, a level playing field in pricing is a must to encourage investments, says ONGC chairman. Next, Ashok Lane to supply 500 buses to Sri Lanka. Next, Vedanta buys Meenakshi Energy for rupees 1,440 crore. Next, Maruti recalls cars to fix faulty airbags controller. On page number 5, in that EY projects $26 trillion economy by 2047. Next, SBI rises rupees 9,718 crore Viva second infra bond issuance. Next, voting on Shri resolution process to begin today. Next, US and China official discuss economic ties. Next, SII wants COVAX included in CoWIN portal has booster. Next, government may earn rupees 43,000 crore from windfall tax on crude oil petroleum products. Next, telcos seek reformative tax regime. Next, economic slowdown to hit equity valuation. Next, rating upgrades will continue to outpace downgrades in foreseeable future. Then I comes to page number 6 in broking in that opinion section. Under that, brokering change. Next, warmer winter cools gas demand in Europe. Next, education system need a rejig. On page number 7 in things section, under that, widen the tax base. Next, how fisc will shape up in FY24. Next, India holds the key to hitting global climate change target. Next, 20 years ago today, in that Anil Ambani takes over as BSE as chairman. Next, center to invest rupees 10,000 crore in Kerala. Next, PM takes a dig at Kerala's trade union culture. Then it comes to page number 8. In that, Hindalco Industries to rise up to rupees 700 crore. Next, 0 to 1 gets SBI note to launch rupees 300 crore fund. Next, Eastern Logistica Infoway list on BSE SME. Next, Adani fixes FPO floor price at rupees 3,112. Next, thanks to HDFC Twins, Indies climb for second day. Next, 360 one pick majority stake in Mumbai Angels. Next, OYO to refile updated DRHP by mid-February. Next, CBI awaits NSC board note to prosecute Chitra. On page number 19, in that multimedia Maverick Apple MacBook Pro 23. Next, Bass Beat JBL Bar 10 1000. Next, Flexi ID Flex It Right Lenovo Yoga 91. Next, Says Cheese Techno Phantom X2 Pro 5G. Next, Plug in Tune Out. Next, Plain Jan but a keeper. Next, Gupshup rolls out at a boot builder. Then I comes to page number 10 in that commodity section. Gold rises as dollars slip on slower rate hike prospects. Next, Cooper resumes rally on China optimism. Next, Rose sugar slips after hitting 2.5 week high. Next, tour arrival slower, excess rain diseases feared to hit crop. Next, Chennai to host Global Spice Conference begin today. Next, Center strengthening millets quality seed chain Tomar. Next, crop protection sector 6 import duty cut. Next, copper futures go long now. Stop loss at rupees 750. Next, Moldova enters domestic apple market. Next, anti-GM coalition demands more norms for transgenics. Next, a Vedic meteorologist taps into ancient wisdom. Next, regenerative farming can help cut input cost. On page number 11, in that Auto Expo 2023 concludes with highest ever footfalls. Next, draft norms issue for certification of halal meat. Next, Bharti Airtel's rupees 22,000 crore data center in Hyderabad. Next, iron ore export jumps fivefold year on year in December. Next, freeze fame. Next, rollout of DG Yatra app starts at airport for checking travel papers. Next, telcos opts mandatory caller ID plan. Next, assembly poll in Tripura on Feb 16, Nagaland, Meghalaya to vote on Feb 27. Next, CMs of 4 states call for joint bid against BJP. Next, CBI starts probe into Dehradun land scam. Next, Taiwan PO Chen to set up rupees 500 crore sport shoes making unit in Tamil Nadu. Next, High Court issues summons to Grover on Koladia's plea on reclaiming shares. Next, CBI books 31 including 18 Navy staff of 4 IT refund fraud. On page number 12, in that Fukushima West Pacific Islands for delaying release. Next, helicopter crash Ukraine's interior min among 15 dead. Next, $415 million in crypto was hacked FTX. Next, Bank 6 ECLGS extension. Next, Allahabad High Court grants interim stay to Paytm against rupees 1,081 crore GST order. Next, Shubman Gill double century. Next, in bond travel rises by 21%. Next, Davos 2023 UN chief urges credible net zero pledges or risk greenwashing. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.